Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is HISHAM bin Ali and I from SK SEMUT API, Kota Baru, Kelantan. Now the subject that I'm going to present to you is on English language. The theme and the topic is sentence types. The language description that we are going to use is sentence type simple, compound, complex. Now, learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, people should be able to know and comprehend three sentence types. Example, simple, compound, and complex sentences. Apply the knowledge of the sentence type when attempting the exercises. Discuss and justify answers verbally in the group discussion. Obtain correct answers. Comprehend the justification of the correct answers if choices of answers are incorrect. The success criteria, pupils can comprehend the placement of three sentence types. Understand the teaching by the teacher regarding each of the sentence types. Complete the exercise in respective groups and justify own answers with reference to the input. Explain to friends who have difficulties in understanding the sentence types. Complete all 4 exercises by collaborating and working together in groups. Now here are the resources that we use: Inspire's handout and textbook. Teaching aids that we are going to use are manila cards, mahjong paper, sticky notes. Item maps that we are going to use are brace map and circle maps. Grouping types, table, mixed ability, social. Kagan's cooperative structure that we are use is number heads, together, stay, and stray. HOTS that we are use, apply and analyze. On starter stage for about 30 minutes in our lesson outline. The teacher says the learning objectives and success criteria which are displayed at one corner of the whiteboards to the class. These are the examples. The teacher draws a brace map of 3 sentence types: simple, compound, and complex. These are the examples. The teacher enhances the class to the function or role of the 3 sentence type and give some additional examples. Here are the main stage, about 50 minutes of our lesson outline. Based on Kagan's cooperative learning structure, number heads together, the pupils are arranged in 3 groups, consist of 5 members. Each pupil is given one number from number 1, 2, and 3. These are the diagrams shown. Each pupil having the same number is given one sentence type. For example, all number 1 pupils are given the first sentence type. Example, simple sentence. Once they have got their numbers, they will be regrouped with friends of the same numbers. So at this point, people sit in new groups. These are the diagrams. Having one sentence type, each group takes turn to be briefed by the teacher with reference to the inspired content input provided. These are the example. What are other two groups doing while the teacher is briefing the first group? While waiting for their turn to be briefed, each group will be given a form and fill the details. This is an example of the form given to the pupils. Sentence type is simple sentence. The leader, the speaker, they will stay and explain about the simple sentence, while the recorder will write and design the circle map, while helpers will visit and ask or comment on other groups. When the next group is to be briefed by the teacher, the first group returns to the seats, attempt and discuss the sentence type, and design a group circle map. The pupils can list down example of sentences of the sentence type taken in the textbook. The teacher briefs until the third group. All three groups then design group circle maps on manila cards or mahjong paper. The groups then practice Kagan's cooperative learning structure, stay and stray. They visit each station and are encouraged to ask questions and give opinions. Sticky notes pad can be used to give feedback to the circle maps and station visited. These are the examples. Here are the outline lesson on plenary stage for about 40 minutes. The teacher encouraged all the pupils to return to their previous groups consisting of number 1, 2, and 3. Here are the examples. Input and question from exercise 1 to 4 are distributed to each of the groups. The pupils attempt the exercises. Exercise 1, circle and subject, they underline the verbs. Exercise 2, fill in the blank with correct words to make correct sentences. Exercise 3, join the simple sentence with the conjunction. Exercise 4, underline the correct relative pronouns to make a correct complex sentence. Later, all pupils in each group check their answers referring to the knowledgeable others, the people who were given initial input by the teacher. The teacher later gives the answers to all pupils. Explanation to incorrect answers are delivered appropriately. Any incorrect answers have to be corrected by the pupils as homework. Correction will be submitted to the teacher in the following lesson. That's all. Thank you for watching. Have a try. If you have anything to share or any comment, you can go to the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.